for the past 4 years, we take 9th graders to an island in the Chesapeake Bay called Smith Island. We take them as part of talking about the bay and talking about environmental science throughout the year. And so while we're there, we build off of a lot of the topics we've talked about in terms of water conservation, habitat loss, things that are going on in the bay. So while we were there this year, we did crabbing, which is a big favorite. So we got crab pots and we put them in the water. You'll see some awesome pictures and footage of kids kissing a fish and twisting it and putting it in the crab pot to bait the crabs.
We saw a lot of new species, and we learned about how certain species like plants and trees helped keep the bay nice and clean.
The marsh provides like a habitat for different types of animals. It also like filters the water in the bay and makes it all clean.
While we're there, we go over and spend some time in the marsh. We talk about how important the marsh is in these island communities. And so we talk about the marsh, the benefits of the marsh, the different things that the marsh does. And then we spend a bunch of time playing in the marsh. We jump in the mud. We talk about why the mud actually has a really strong sulfur smell. And we talk about why it has that smell and what different things are going on, what processes are going on in the marsh. It's also just a lot of fun to play around in the marsh.
My blueprint is something that we can do after leaving Smith Island to help out, and we thought of different ways that we could help the bay. So having dual flushing toilets help the bay, and you can get points, and you can plant trees, and you can put grasses back in the bay. You can use a compost and all that stuff to make the bay better. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, and I might as well have tried it. So I had a great time.